Unveiling the Art of Full Face Makeup. A comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of cosmetics with our topic, full face makeup. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or simply curious about English beauty terminology, this video is for you. Let's embark on this glamorous journey together. Full face makeup refers to a complete makeup look that typically includes several products applied to different areas of the face. It's not just about a single product, like lipstick or eyeshadow, but a combination that enhances or alters the appearance of the entire face. This can involve foundation, concealer, blush, eye makeup, lipstick, and more. It's often used for special occasions, photo shoots, or whenever someone wants to present a polished, sophisticated image. Applying full face makeup is an art that involves several steps, each with its own significance. 1. Preparation. This includes cleansing, moisturizing, and priming the skin. A good base ensures that makeup applies smoothly and lasts longer. 2. Foundation and concealer. These products create a uniform skin tone, covering blemishes and under-eye circles. 3. Contouring and highlighting. Sculpting the face with light and dark shades to accentuate features like cheekbones and the jawline. 4. Eye makeup. From subtle to dramatic, eye makeup includes eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara to define and enhance the eyes. 5. Lip makeup. The finishing touch, lipstick or lip gloss, adds color and texture to complete the look. Full face makeup isn't just about appearance. It carries cultural and personal significance too. It can be an expression of personal style and identity, a ritual for confidence and empowerment, a part of traditional cultural attire in various ceremonies and celebrations, an art form where the face is the canvas and the products are the medium. And that's a wrap on full face makeup. Whether it's a daily routine or a special occasion, makeup is a fascinating aspect of personal expression and culture. We hope this video helps you understand the concept and terms associated with full face makeup. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content on English language learning.